One of the major concerns of the modern world. This is going to be diabetes and insulin resistance. Those are the usually type of the diseases that you not recognize easily, but when you find out, usually you're going to take a large number of medication that in the long period of run is going to give you so much side effects, and you will not get better in any kind of chances. The first symptom of high blood sugar is chronic fatigue. Feeling tired may be most common early sign of the high blood sugar. Of course, fatigue is fairly non-specific symptom. If you notice that fatigue regularly occurs immediately after eating, however, especially after the meal loaded with carbohydrates, it may have something to do with rising blood sugar levels. People often want to nap after lunch, or just can keep their eyes open after dinner. Often after eating something like a lot of pasta or potatoes, sweets, like chocolates, like cakes or whatever, you feel a chronic fatigue. Usually this is the first symptom. You eat something and after 30 minutes you are prepared to go to the bed and sleep for, I believe, like maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, especially at the night. You will not have any kind of energy, and that means probably you have the sugar problems. Another symptom is frequent urination. A healthy person urinates 40 times a day. With high sugar, much more. Increased urination also causes increased thirst, which is symptoms of increased sugar. When you have more sugar in your blood, the kidneys have to work harder. They throw out the body through urine. This causes frequent urination and thirst. High blood sugar level cause headaches. When there is excess sugar in the blood, it can affect some unexpected areas in the body, like your eyes. Basically, the extra sugar, along with some water, gets stuck in the lens in the middle of the eye, causing blurry effect. This is temporary and not the same as eye damage that can occur in the long term, like condition in diabetes. And this is also one of the most common symptoms that you have high blood sugar. So this is frequent night urination, constant thirst, also maybe problems with your eyes, but in later stages of diabetes can get a lot worse. Excessive level of sugar in body causes a drop of immunity. As a result of declining immunity, several times a year you will fall ill with diseases such as cold, viruses, flu, vaginal fungal infection. All this can mean that you have problem with high sugar. Bad microorganisms feed on the sugar and live on our body for a very long time. Nausea, vomiting, confusion, breathing difficulties, dry skin, fruity smell from the mouth, decreased ability to concentrate. Everything points to excess sugar in the body. If you have tingling, burning sensation in your hand or your feet, this may indicate damage to the nerves called peripheral neuropathy. It is consequence of excessive blood sugar levels. Oral problems such as caries, gingivitis, gum inflammations can be sign of excess blood sugar levels. High blood sugar can affect your circulation, causing poor wound healing. Please be aware of this, as it indicates much bigger problem that will happen in the future. And that's why this is so important. If you notice a couple of these symptoms right now in you, maybe it's the time for you to check out your blood sugar. And you find out how to the diet, nutrition and natural remedies prevent diabetes type 2 or any kind of diabetes, and also it prevent for you concentrate in normal amount and normal concentration of this insulin in your body. If you listen to me a little bit earlier, diabetes type 2 in 20 years, probably every second adult person will have. This is unbelievably bad news. That's why it's the critical time for you to eat healthy. Find out what is intermittent fasting, that is best diet in the world. I was reading a book about that. Is probably number one reason why you will fight against diabetes and you never get diabetes in your life. On my channel right now you have over 4,000 videos. Many of them are about this diabetes. We don't pay attention for the food that we eat. We can see it right now in every food store, in every restaurant, fast food store. Is a large number of people each day eat this junk garbage food that is causes right now a problem with diabetes and insulin resistance. As I said it before, diabetes is one of the worst diseases of modern man. Right now, you will not feel a lot worse, but maybe in 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, you will develop diabetes and you take a large number of medication, and usually after that, everything goes downward and you never get better. This is critical time for you to try healthy way of living. If you want to find out what is the best mineral that prevent diabetes, that is crucial mineral for preventing diabetes, watch video right here that I was making a bit earlier. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.
My name is Mario. I am European medical professional with over 26 years clinical experience working with the patient all around the world. My core expertise include nutrition, natural medicine, physical therapy and rehabilitation. Through my MarioLAB natural healing programs, I have helped thousands of people every year improve their health, regain mobility, reduce chronic pain and chronic diseases, and restore their quality of life. And those programs may help you as well. If you would like to visit my clinic in person, or if you prefer my personal phone consultations without traveling, my team and I are here to help you. Contact us via Viber or the WhatsApp at the phone number +385 98 9179 200. Your health deserves serious, professional, and individual approach. Thank you for following me. See you next time.